Good afternoon. I'm Laura Gray. The Lackawanna man accused of trying to join ISIS appearing in federal court just about an hour ago. 44-year-old Afafat Nagi charged with terrorism, facing a judge for the first time this morning since an indictment came down late last week. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Rachel Elzafan was in court. She joins us now with more.
Now, Laura, Nagi has been indicted now on 2 counts of attempting to provide resources to a terrorist organization, ISIL. Federal prosecutors tell me those charges are related to 2 times they say Nagi tried to join the terrorist organization. Nagi pleaded not guilty to both charges this morning. The U.S. Attorney's Office says in July of 2014, Nagi traveled to Turkey and planned to go to Syria, where ISIL is based, but backed out at the last minute. They believe he planned to go this month and say Nagi was only stopped because of July's arrest and raid inside his Lackawanna home. The next step for federal prosecutors, applying for 14 additional warrants to look into electronic devices now in the government's custody. Federal agents had been keeping a close eye on Nagi for a while.
Obviously, the anticipated August 2015 trip was, I think, the last decisive action by this defendant, and once he made that decision, we decided it was appropriate to effectuate an arrest.
There are certain communications that I've had that gave me those concerns, but I can't specifically talk about the details.
About a mental health evaluation granted for his client today. Medical professionals with the Bureau of Prisons will conduct that evaluation. Now, because of that process and the complexity of the evidence, it will be months before Nagi returns back in front of a judge. U.S. Marshals took Nagi back into custody after this morning's arraignment. Federal prosecutors say that assuming this case does go to trial, it would be held here in Western New York. Rachel Elzafan, 7 Eyewitness News.